Hey, I'm Bill McKnight with MAHLE Clevite. I'm here with Performance Business today to talk to you about some of the products we have that might interest you. First of all, let's talk about gaskets. What you see over here on our gasket display is the fact that even though it's a performance engine, be it a modular Ford, or a Power Stroke or a Duramax, lots of the gaskets on that engine got to be the stock or stock replacement gaskets. There's not always a performance gasket for everything. So as you put your business plan together, it's important for you to consider, where am I going to get the other parts that I'm going to need to do these engines? So with a company like Victor Reinsch, you've got this. We've got 10,000 SKUs and a lot of gaskets you're going to need to do performance engines. And the piston rings has been a huge change. As a matter of fact, this change occurred at the end of 2010. And that is a long, well-known brand name, Perfect Circle, went away and was replaced by MAHLE Original. As you can see the MAHLE Original logo up here. In the racing business now, you'll start seeing MAHLE Original on lots of cars at the drag strip and so on that use our piston rings. So Perfect Circle has sunsetted. MAHLE Original is now the piston ring brand name. Now in that product line, we've got a brand new piston ring performance catalog where all our piston rings on the performance line are in one book now. Easy to use, all the dimensions that an engine builder needs in terms of the width of the ring, the unit pressure, the wall, etc. Now the big thing in the ring business for us, the big thing that's changed this year, is the fact that we are offering more and more steel top rings. Steel has a stiffness, a modulus of stiffness about 20% stronger than cast iron. And of course in a performance engine, the stronger the ring, the more resistance to bending, the more horsepower you make. So a big move at MAHLE Original to steel top compression rings. Now let's go over and talk about our mainstay Clevite bearings. Now Clevite engine bearings, and especially Clevite performance bearings, they've been the household name in race engine bearings for 50 years. And really that name still exists today. You all might remember it as Clevite 77, which was our brand name for years for the material. We've shortened that now to just Clevite, but we've been the #1 performance engine bearing supplier for at least 50 years. What I wanted to mention to you is 2 support tools that we have that are available to you and all your customers. Both of them are online at mahleclevite.com, our website. And the first one is our online engine bearing diagnosis guide. And we don't call it bearing failures, but we refer to it as bearing distress. The kind of issues you see on highly performant engines when the bearings are really put under stress. So this guide is to help you figure out why your bearings may look like they do. The other thing we have on that website, and you'll see it on the lower right-hand square of the landing page, is a little button that says Ask MAHLE Clevite. And that will give you a direct line to me and the rest of our engineering support crew, so that if you have technical questions on any of our product lines, you've got a way to reach us 24/7.